Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to teach you a very interesting puzzle called Sudoku. The Sudoku grid looks like this. There are 9 small boxes in every box, every row and every column. You can see it. Now let me tell you the rules of how to do the Sudoku puzzle. You have to place 1 to 9 digits in every box, every row and every column. Some numbers will be given in the Sudoku grid and you have to complete the rest of them. So let us start. You can see that here are just 2 boxes left. So I am trying to solve this, okay? Here is 1, there is not any 2. As I said you that the numbers should not be repeated, and you can see here is a 2. So if I place 2, the number is being repeated. So the box left with me is this. So I will write 2 over here, and the left one is 1, 2, 3. Where is 4? So here will be 4. Now you can see that 2 boxes are left here also. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now where is 6 gone? 6 is not here. So let me leave it. 7, 8 and 9. Where is 9? Here is 9, right? So if I write 9 here, the 9 is being repeated over here. So I will write the 9 here. And where is 6? 6 will be here. Because in this row, there is only 1 box left and 6 will be placed over here. Now you can see that just 3 boxes are left in this whole box. Now 1, where is it? Here is 1. So in these 2 boxes it will be 1. So I cannot find it, that where will be the 1. So let me leave it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is it? So here will not be 5. So in these 2 boxes it will be 5. Okay? So I cannot find it. So let me go to the next number. 6, 7, 8. Where is 9? Here is 9. So here is 9. If here is 9, so it is blocking the 2 boxes. So the box is left. You have to write 9 over here. And you can see that 3 boxes are left over here only. 1. Where is 2 gone? Here is 2. Here is 2. So the box left is over here. 2. And 3, 4, 5. Where is it gone? you cannot find it over here too, here also. So let me go to the next number. 6, 7, 8. Where is it gone? So 8 is over here. So 8 will be over here. Because if I write 8 over here, the 8 is being repeated in this column. Look, here is only one box left. So you can see that 5 is not over here. So 5 will be here. And here is only one box left. So let us find it. 1, 2, 3. Where is it? 4. So 4 will be here. No, 4 will not be here. Yes, 4 will be here. And now I hope you have got the trick how to do the Sudoku puzzle. You can complete Sudoku puzzles like this, how I showed you to do. I have completed the Sudoku puzzle, and I think that you have learned many tricks from this video. I am coming back with many other videos with Sudoku tricks. Till then, goodbye. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.